Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am, your English teacher. So in the last week I taught you one chapter from your NCERT book and I hope you understood all and you did your question and work all. So this is today your grammar session. I'm starting and you can see the name pronoun. I start today the pronoun itself. So I hope you know about noun, right? What is noun? Whenever you are using a word to tell any name of a person or thing or object, right? A place, somewhere, some like this. So these words are used as noun. Okay, and suppose I am telling Ram is a good boy, Arpita is a good girl. So you can understand what is noun, which name I am telling the person. That word is noun, right? Suppose see this portion. Suppose you are telling Rahul is an intelligent student. Rahul goes to school daily. Rahul studies a lot. Rahul is making preparation for examination. In each and every line, suppose you are telling again and again Rahul, Rahul, Rahul. That means it's hearing odd, right? So what I use, see this paragraph, I have written some lines. Rahul is an intelligent student. He goes to school daily. He means who? Rahul. So in the place of Rahul I used he. Again I have written he studies a lot. So in spite of Rahul, instead of Rahul, I have given he. Once again he is making preparation for examination. So just for one time I have given the noun Rahul, and then for the next time I am using he instead of Rahul in the replacement of Rahul. Why I am using it? It is used to avoid repetition. Suppose you are telling again and again Rahul, Rahul, Rahul. This means you can understand this singular word, this similar word is repeating once again and again and again, and it's hearing odd also, right? So for this I am using, for avoiding this repetition I am using this word he. Okay, so what is this? This is pronoun. So what is pronoun? A word that is used to replace a noun is called pronoun. A word which is used to replace a noun, that is pronoun. For why? For avoiding repetition of similar word in that paragraph. Okay, see here I have written once again the example. Rakesh is a good boy. He reads in class 6. So Rakesh is a noun and instead of noun I have put he. So you can just understand what is pronoun. So I have written some notes. See, suppose a number of noun is singular, then male persons are referred by he, him, his, himself. These are referred as male person. There are lots of pronouns. I have written lots of pronouns, lots of examples of pronouns, but this is one kind of example I am giving to understand. You can understand this very well. How you can understand? This is the male, this is a male person, so there you have to put him, he, his, himself. These are according to the sentences, right? And suppose the number of noun is singular, means one, and then female person are referred by she, her, herself, like this. And suppose there is any object, okay, so there you can use eat, eat. Okay, suppose there is any animal, okay, So there you also can use it. Okay. Now these are the uses, and there are some examples I have written. He, she, it, they, you, I. They is plural form. Whenever you are watching any plural form of nouns, then you have to use they. You, I, we. We also plural form. Who, him, her, them also plural form. Me, us also plural form. Whom, his, its, their, their, their. Your, mine, our, whose, myself, himself. I myself did this work. He himself did this work. Okay. Herself, yourself, which, this. This is a house. That is a tree. These. This is a singular form. These is a plural form of this. Those. Those. That is a singular form. Those is a plural form. So there is a huge numbers of pronouns. You have to know the uses of these pronouns. Definitely I will give you the examples, and there are so many divisions in pronoun. Okay, and they are the main divisions I will discuss after some practice work. Before it, you can pause the video and you can take a picture of this page. Okay, these are the examples of pronoun, and this is the definition of pronoun. I hope you can understand what is pronoun and how you can recognize it, how you can recognize any pronoun in any sentence or in any paragraph. I have made some practice work for you. See, identify the pronouns in the following sentences. You have to identify first a pronoun, then you can use it. Then I have arranged some more question. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Okay, but first you have to identify any pronoun in one paragraph. Suppose you will get one paragraph and you will say that identify the pronouns in this paragraph. Okay, so definitely you have to know the examples of pronouns, and here are the examples I have written. There are lots of examples. You can see the examples. Definitely I will say you the uses of this pronoun, but before it you have to understand which is pronoun. You have to identify. Okay, see the sentences. He killed himself. Definitely you can understand he, it is written in the replace of any noun, any name, right? So he is a pronoun, himself is pronoun. So identify the pronouns. You will just underline pronouns. Herself, himself, pronoun. In the next sentence, I met her yesterday. I means you can understand you, right? Your name. In replace of your name, I is used. So I is pronoun. Met her. Her is pronoun. Yesterday, right? Next, I myself wash my clothes. I is pronoun. Myself is pronoun. You can understand I is a word which is used the replace of your name, right? Suppose I am questioning you, who washed these clothes? Okay, suppose these are your clothes and I am asking who washed these clothes. So you are asking, you are giving answer, I myself wash my clothes. Okay, next, she wants to go to the market. So definitely you can understand she, it is the word which is used in the replace of any other noun, right? She herself answered the phone. She is pronoun. Herself is pronoun. It is e. Okay, dear. Don't think it is I. Herself. Okay. So these are the identification of pronoun. You have to identify a pronoun in a sentence. The next, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. There are some examples I have given. In the first sentence I have given so many examples. You can use any one. Okay. So see, Ram and, definitely you can understand where present. You can use I also. You can use he also. Why it is where? Because it is plural. Ram, and definitely there should be I or he or she. Means more than one person means plural. One person means singular, more than one person means plural. Right? There it is written where. So you can take any one word from this box and you can put here. I have given 4 words because you can use any one of this. Okay, sometimes you will say, ma'am, there should if there I will put he. Is that okay? So yes, it is okay. Okay, next, Sujit is as tall as I or me. Definitely I. Okay, why it is I? Because it is invisible. There should be am. There should be an am there, that is invisible in this line. Okay. Okay, next one. Nobody but dash was present. He or him. Nobody but he was present. You can understand he. Next, Soman and dash were present. Me or I. Definitely should be I. Soman and I were present, and where it is written because these are plural form, right? If it was singular form, then it was. Okay. He and dash are great friends. Me or I. He and I are great friends. This is a present form, that is why are. This is past tense were. This is also past tense was. This is also past tense were, and this is present tense, that is why are. Okay, so this is fill in the blanks with the proper pronouns taken from this bracket, and this is the identification of pronoun. Okay, so this is I have done, and this homework is given for you. This you have to do. Similar, same thing. The question is given a little bit differently. Point out the pronouns in the following sentences. Before it I have put identify the pronouns. Here point out the pronouns. Okay, I hope you can understand. Ramesh was injured in the accident. This is C. Okay, and he fainted after it. You have to underline which is a pronoun. You have to choose. Summer bought 2 books and a pen and put them on the table. Ravi said to his friend, you and I should go there. A female lion is called a lioness and she has no more. Okay. Next one. Put the correct form of pronoun in the blank spaces in the following sentences taken from this bracket. Okay, similar question. Fill in the blanks with proper pronoun, and this is put differently the question. Put the correct form of pronoun in the blank spaces. Okay. Wait for Hari and dash, me or I. Dash is our new headmaster, he or I. The poor boy has lost dash mother, his or you. Have you seen dash pen anywhere, my or you? I hope you can understand the page. If you have any problem, then definitely ask me. You can pause the video and you can take a picture of this page, and then you have to do this. If there will be any problem, definitely ask me in comment box. I will be there for you. Definitely I will give you answer, but before that you have to do the homework. This is your homework. Okay, this is identification of pronoun, and this is fill in the blanks with pronoun. Identification the pronoun, which is pronoun, which word is used in the replace of noun, that is pronoun. See the page again. This is a word that is used to replace a noun is called a pronoun. Okay, and why it is used? Because avoid of repetition. Suppose you are telling about you, that suppose your name is Sujata. You are telling, suppose anyone is telling about you, Sujata is very good girl, Sujata is reading in class 6, Sujata is dot dot dot, any line. You sometimes someone is telling any paragraph about you, and in each and every sentence she is writing Sujata, Sujata, Sujata. So it is looking odd and it is listening odd. So whenever you are putting Sujata is a good girl, she is reading in class 6, it is looking very beautiful and it's hearing very good, right? So whenever you are using a word that is used to replace a noun, that is called pronoun. And how you understand that is a pronoun? Definitely you can see that word is used just replaced of a noun, then you can understand that is pronoun. Okay, and there are the examples of pronoun, and on the next video I will give you the definitions of the divisions. There are classifications in pronoun. Okay, there are some personal pronouns, there are some possessive pronouns, there are some reflexive pronoun, there is some interrogative pronouns, there are lots of pronouns. Okay, so if you know the clarification, if you know the definitions, if you know the differentiate between the all kinds of pronouns, then you can understand what kind of pronoun that is. Okay, so definitely I will give you the next classifications of the pronoun on the next video. Before that, do this and write this note in your copy, and see this practice work also. Try to understand what I have done. Okay, and there's a similar question, the similar pattern of the question I have arranged for you. Okay, so please do this and send it to comment box. And if there will be any problem to understand any sentence, any word, means my writing, definitely ask me in comment box. I will be there for you. I'll be give you the answers. Okay, and if the video is little bit invisible, then definitely ask me in comment box. I hope you can see the video. Okay, if I hope there will be not a problem. So okay, then do it and enjoy your day, right? And definitely send it to my comment box. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day and wait for the next video.